Hey guys, Josh here. Thanks for checking out my new video. I told you guys last time that I was going to be making a new investor crate unboxing video for the big bar crate. I kind of hinted at it last video. That's what I want to go ahead and do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Now I did remove this before I sneezed like halfway through my last video, and it kind of threw me off for a while. So this is kind of a retake. So here we are. Let's go ahead and unbox this. And what you see here is a 1/4 troy ounce silver round. So it's the buffalo nickel design, and I really like buffalo nickels. So next one, we got a 1 troy ounce generic Walking Liberty bar. So that's awesome. I like 1 troy ounce bars. They're pretty cool. And for the big one, the big mama, let's look at her. This is a 10 troy ounce buffalo nickel designed silver bar. And these are awesome to have. You know, it's kind of heavier than I thought it was going to be. You know, I've handled bars before, but I've never actually owned a 10 troy ounce bar before. And you've kind of forget how heavy these things could be, you know, and like I said in previous videos in years past, you know, if you can't hold this, you don't own it. All right, this is real wealth. This is real wealth, and I have a bunch of real wealth nowadays. So yeah, that's the big bar crate, the $250 amount big bar crate from Investor Crate. I definitely recommend Investor Crate for your silver and precious metals, gold investing needs. They have done right by me. Their shipping's fast and secure. And yeah, like, so if you guys have a different crate that maybe you guys want to see, like maybe you want to see a constitutional silver crate, maybe you want to see the gold crate again, maybe you want to see a showcase crate on this Investor Crate's website, let me know. Put it down in the comments section. Put it down there. I will 100% buy it. I am not kidding. Somebody told me to go ahead and pull a trigger on this one, and I just did it. You will have to wait a month for the video, of course, but just let me know down in the comments section if you want to see something in particular. I don't care what it is. I'll just do it. All right, because precious metals is precious metals to me, and I do fancy the silver. So if that is any hint towards anything, maybe the constitutional crate's what I'm hinting at. But you know what? Whatever you guys are feeling is what I'm up for. So go ahead and like and subscribe my video. Turn notifications on if you care enough to do that. And without further ado, guys, Josh Silver out.